Hi, it's me. I hope you're well. I'm dead excited about these. I actually struggled to get to sleep thinking about them last night. Right, what I've got from Joe's Village Bakery in Chipping, it's a beef and onion pie, but it's beef steak and it's been braised overnight in brown ale. Look at that. It's going to burst. It's that full. Look at that. It's starting to give way. I'm drooling. Right, and the other thing I've got here is a Lancashire pasty. Now, obviously, it's going to be a bit like a Cornish pasty, but Lancashire. Now, I'm not dissing the Cornish. I've got a lot of time for the Cornish. They're nice people. In fact, I've got a very good friend, Mike. He lives down there. Used to be a good footballer, but he's getting old now, so he plays cricket. If you're ever down there, go to Hamilton's Liqueurs. He sells booze down there. But anyway, back to the pies. Lancashire pasty, beef braised in brown ale. Right. I'm going to go for the pasty first, just to build the anticipation up for this pie. Right, here we go. Let's see how a Lancashire pasty compares to a Cornish pasty. I'll tell you what, it's chock full. Look at that. Oh, big, oh. Looks fantastic, doesn't it, that? In fact, I've got producer Ross in the studio. Would you like a piece as well, Ross?
Do I have the pie?
No.
Okay.
Just the pasty.
I'll have a bit of pasty then, thank you.
Hey, I'll tell you what. That's smashing, that. It's got big chunks of meat. That's a lovely flavour, that. It really is. I wonder how people like Ginsters make money, to be honest. When you people you can get that, just doesn't compare. Man, a slurp of coffee. No beer today. Right, this is the main event. Let's see if we can angle that down a bit. I think this is just gonna be a tsunami of braised beef. Oh. Oh. It's gone. Oh. Gone. Oh, I've rescued it. Oh, it's messy. It's gloriously messy. Look at that. It's everywhere. Still going to eat the bits that are on the table, like. But look at that. Let's see how it tastes. Oh. Oh, this is fantastic. Which could taste this?
Me too.
There you go, Ross. That's your bit.
That's it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Thank you.
I'll tell you what. That's you're not out yet, have you? That's a meal in itself, that. You pretty much could do with a knife and fork to sit down and eat that. It's absolutely fantastic. Right, Joe's Village Bakery. No, Joe's Village Kitchen. She's based in Chipping, but they haven't got a shop there as such. They work farmers markets, and they're on Clitheroe Market when that's open. And they're on Goosenar Farmers Market, Longridge Artisan Market. But if you look for them on Facebook, they'll list and they'll inform you where they're going to be. You do some great stuff, as I've just demonstrated. But that is that's a cut above. That's one of the best pies I've had, actually. What do you think, Ross? What, yeah, he's got a thumbs up from that side of the table as well. Can't really speak. He's got his mouth full. Doesn't really stop me, does it?
It's very nice.
Right. Anyway, and oh, in case you're wondering what that is, that's my 2 stone off award from Slimming World. Yeah, pies can help weight loss, but only as part of a calorie-controlled diet. Always read the label and stay away from children. Okay, bye.
You can't get any more in it, can you?
It's me again. It's really good, this pie. I've just had to come back on and say it's a really, really good pie, this. I'm only having half of it and I'm nearly full. It's fantastic. Okay, bye again.